Hello, blurry camera. Can you guys see me? Alright, how's it going? Your boy is back. Yay! Not with a vlog. I know you have a lot of questions. What's going to happen to the vlog? It's been like 6 months and so on. There's good news, the vlog is coming back soon, probably this weekend, but today I got something interesting here and I really wanted to start doing these review videos, but I didn't have where to do them. Like in my room, it's really tiny and I couldn't find the proper space. So if your question is, Kitze, is that an ironing board with a towel on it? Yes, this is an ironing board with a towel on it, but it's good enough for doing the review of the AirPods Pro. Do they suck? Are they good? Are they worth it? Should you buy it? And so on. Let's get this thing on. Roll the intro.
You don't have an intro.
What?
You don't have an intro.
I don't have an intro for tech videos?
No.
Well, I should make an intro.
I know.
Let me make an intro. Just
All right.
be right back. Cool. Alright, that should do. Roll the intro. That was a shitty intro. So anyway, I got the AirPods Pro here.
Flex.
What?
Flex.
It's not a flex. It's not a flex. It's a review video.
Flex.
All right. So I got the AirPods Pro here, and before I open the AirPods Pro, I want to talk about my other pairs of AirPods.
Jesus, flex.
Shut up! I have to compare
Flex.
apples to oranges, AirPods to AirPods. You know what I mean?
Flex.
So I got this in 2017, and I used them with my Android phone, with my Galaxy S7 back in the day. Shut up! That's not Galaxy S7, not flex. Okay, shut up. And I was a big fan of these even before I paired them with an iPhone, because they don't do anything. They have a couple of special features when they're paired with an iPhone, but more or less even with an Android, they're amazing headphones. Number one reason why I fell in love with these headphones is not the sound, it's not the easiness of the opening and the closing and the shit like that. It's because you can fit them in, let me bring my jeans. There's this little pocket that's literally you don't use this shit for anything. If you don't have AirPods, you don't put anything here. And this little case, like perfectly fits here. Like slide in and out. So literally anywhere I go at any time, I had headphones with me. You get bored on the train, you have headphones. You get bored on a plane, you have headphones. You get bored at the doctor while he's talking to you about a disease, you pull out your headphones, you're like, nah, I don't want to listen to you. So it's really, really nice that you can just like, bloop, and the AirPods come from here. So ever since I got them, a lot of headphones came out, and there's not a model that fits inside that little pocket. So there's no other model that fits. Then I switched, just put my jeans here. Then I switched to the AirPods 2.
Wow, flex.
It's a review. I have to compare to some shit. So these are not mine anymore, they're my girlfriend's. It was Valentine's Day and I just brushed them off and I put them in the box and I was like, here you go honey, there's a gift for you. It's my old AirPods from 2 years ago. But I got these ones not because they have anything new. Like if you compare this to this, it's literally the same package, literally everything is the same, the design is the same. But the battery life on this, after I got them in 2017 I think, after 2 years the battery life on this it was pretty shitty. I couldn't go to the gym or have a meeting or something, 30 minutes, 40 minutes they would die. So that's why I switched to this one. Also I really like that they have, I'm gonna unplug my wireless charger here to show you. I like that I have wireless charging, so at a random point of the day, not at night, I'm just gonna pop them on a wireless charger, they're gonna start charging. And eventually for like, while I'm in the shower or whatever, they're charged enough. So that's another point that I have about AirPods is the battery. You don't even think about battery life or headphones or cables anymore. You just have them with you all the time. They're charged. I don't know how do they do this, but you just put them back in the case. Magically, all the time they have battery. I don't know when I charge them. Put them on this thing, they're charging. So that's the story about why do I like AirPods as a device. And I didn't find anything else that comes even close to it. So now we have the AirPods Pro. To be honest with you, let me just remove this charger and silence whoever the fuck. No, it's my girlfriend. Oh yeah, we're here for the AirPods Pro. Let's actually unbox them before I start babbling about them. So let's just make the little, can we get the angelic sounds with the voice and like, ah. No, not that one. No, yeah. Alright. Oh, they have a little manual. Alright. Holy fuck! This looked smaller! What the shit? It looked smaller on the pictures. I thought they finally managed to take this thing and cut it in half. That's what it looked like. So we're gonna give it the old jeans test. And if this doesn't work, I'm packing it back. There's no unboxing video. They pass the jeans test. If this fucker doesn't go inside of this thing, I cannot take them with me. But probably, yep, they're fine. So they're a little bit bigger because they're probably better headphones and they're noise cancelling and shit. But they still fit the little pocket on your jeans, which is nice to know. We can finally make this satisfying. Oh god, this is the best feeling ever. Set the technology addict. Alright, that's off. Actually, it's weird. I like that the other ones you can just hold them in your hand and do the little thingy. It's just so satisfying when you do this. It's just, I don't know. And these are just in a weird orientation now. I don't like them. What the fuck? I don't like you. You're going back. Okay. That's the end of this unboxing. Thank you very much. No, but seriously, and it's not USB-C, you fucking assholes. It's still Lightning. Just because next year we're gonna make products, we're gonna make everything, literally everything is gonna be USB-C, just so you have to change everything. So the opening of them, it's not that easy. You cannot do it with one hand as you could before. It's a little bit weird. And they look, wait, this is the right one? Alright, let's actually try them. So yeah, they're gonna be a dust magnet like they were before. I don't like they don't have black color or anything. The feel of it is, they seem pretty nice to me. They seem fine. Let's actually try them. Huh. They're a nice fit. Holy fuck, how do I look? Do I look sexy? Wow, wait. Did it turn? Wait, what? Hello? Hello? I don't know if they turn on noise cancelling before they pair with the phone, but it's suddenly weirder in this room. Did it look nice? How do I look? I'm gonna put another AirPod in this other ear and another AirPod in this other ear.
Flex.
Shut up! I know.
Flex.
It's just.
Yeah, you're pretty.
This is what the one looks like.
It's ugly.
This is. I have some pain in my back today, so. Ooh. I don't know. This one looks bigger. It looks weirder. This one looks better and smaller. So I definitely like the look of it. Oh my god, my voice is weird now. So in here we have a USB-C, but it's a USB-C on the one side and it's Lightning on the other side, so I'm not gonna bother you with that. Wait, this is just those replacement ear tips. So when it gets yellow enough, it's actually you can replace it with this tips, or if you have a different type of ear or something. And here we have instructions. Thank you for being an idiot and buying AirPods every few months, blah blah blah. Thank you for your money. Tim Cook really likes your money and so on, so we don't need to read this. Let's actually pair these bad boys. And the pairing process is amazing, so just look at this. Clink, and probably the little pop-up thingy will pop up. Hello? Hello, iPhone? What the fuck? 1, 2, 17. Bam. Really? Close. Open. Ow! It pinched me, mother... They're weird. I'm so used to putting the other one, so the motion right now, I'm twisting the thing before putting it in my ear. So she said. Let me take the camera for a second and show you here. So we have three options now: noise cancellation off and transparency. And there's transparency where you can have like half and half. And you can, oh actually now my voice is super weird. Okay, press and hold. Press and hold? No, I hate this. What the fuck? Ear tip fit test. Place AirPods in both ears so they're comfortable and secure them. The ear tips you're using are a good fit for both ears. If you say so, I mean, okay. What I definitely don't like about them is the previous one had double tap in order to do an action on the left one or the right one. And these ones you have to hold. I get Siri? What the fuck? Where do I press and hold? What do I hold? Do I hold my entire ear? Do I hold like this? What the fuck? There's no double tap anymore. So now in the settings when you pair, you get this little icon just so you know that when you hold it, now you can actually choose between noise cancellation off or transparency. This is for the volume. Well, let's test the actual audio actually. And I'm gonna play something. Whoa! Wow! Holy shit! Wait. I have to try it with the other ones again. Wait, because this seems like a massive audio difference. How do you put it back? I'm gonna get this wrong millions of times. Seriously, no. It just doesn't fit snugly anymore. I don't like that. Why did you ruin them for me? Look, you pop it in. Like it's so freaking comfortable. So comfortable. The sound. Let's try the sound. Come on, move the song. Give me some. I don't know if I'm the person to judge. No, they're definitely better. I mean, it says fucking Pro here. That's why I paid more money. Because it says Pro.
Jesus.
Shut up. How I'm gonna test the noise cancellation is I'm gonna play something here. Okay, I'm gonna play my own song. This is insane.
A waste of time.
This is fucking insane. I didn't hear any of that. What?
There's enough time for everything. I'm willing to die on this hill. There's no such tweets.
I can still hear some of the music there.
Where did you get all your
So
jams,
I would
man? From a 90s t-shirt?
shut the fuck up. For the gym, for example, if you're annoyed when you're listening to like pumping music and then in the background there's like Justin Bieber going, "Ah, baby, baby, oh." I don't think this is gonna completely drown out that, but it got like 90% there. Last thing I wanna compare it to is to actual noise cancelling headphones. Let's actually try to pair to these bad boys.
Oh, we have so many
I'm making a headphones
Wow,
comparison.
get it.
Shut up.
Okay, wow.
Because the noise cancelling on this, there could be a baby on the plane crying literally and looking in my face like, "Ah, I'm gonna ruin your flight." And I'm like, I don't care, baby. Got the headphones on. So let me try it with music. I mean, the sound quality, don't even try to compare it to this. Please, it's just like real headphones. Let me actually try this song. Nada. Nothing. Probably this guy is yelling something. I cannot hear shit. Don't try to compare this and this. This is all about convenience. This is, I don't know, if you want better quality, better noise cancellation and so on, this is definitely the real deal. But I can feel the case. It's a bit squeaky up here. Squeak. I don't know if you can hear it in the microphone, but it's a bit annoying. Okay, let's summarize. If you don't have any noise cancelling headphones at all, and you need noise cancelling headphones because you're in the library, you're on a plane, you're on a train, constantly there's a lot of noise in your ears, I would definitely, and you don't have previous AirPods, like any AirPods, then I would definitely go with these AirPods because you need noise cancelling. But other than that, for like normal usage, nothing beats the good old, like if you don't need noise cancelling, I would definitely save money and go with this model, even with the older model. If you don't need wireless charging, like this model, the old one would do just fine. You don't even need this one, and I think the price of this one is below 100 euros at this point because they're really like old model. But don't expect the AirPods Pro to actually replace this kind of headphones. These are the Bose QC35. They're more than 2-3 years old. The model is old, but they're still a beast, and you cannot compare them to an AirPod because they cup your entire ear. It's a different feeling, and if you prefer quality sound plus nice noise cancelling, I would go with this. But then if you go with this, you lose the convenience that you can slip this thing like literally in your small pocket and you have it with you all the time. One last thing I'm going to add before I go on a ramble about AirPods is AirPods literally changed the way that I consume audio. So I started listening to more audiobooks, I started listening to more podcasts, because especially with the old ones, I don't know how's it gonna be with the... Alright, I was joking with the sad motivational music, but it kind of fits the end of the video, so I'm just gonna leave it on, okay? Shut up. New ones, but especially with the old ones, they're so convenient that I forget they're on me. Like, they're so light, they don't go in your ear, you can still have a conversation without yelling to other people. And then like I'm doing shit at home and suddenly I need to listen to a book, I just double tap and then the book, double tap and then the book or podcast or whatever will start. So that's really convenient, that's really nice. I think I'm gonna lose that with the new ones. That's why I took them for testing. Maybe I'm gonna return them, maybe probably not because I'm an idiot. Voice is completely muffled and I don't like that. So even if I go transparency mode is like hearing your own voice twice. So you cannot wear these ones. If you go off, it still feels like you have headphones on. Okay? It doesn't feel, no, it's like nothing like the other AirPods. Like I cannot keep this in and have a conversation with someone. With these ones, I can keep them in and don't even think, yeah, nothing changed in my voice, nothing changed in my ears. Just when I play music, the music is there. So with these ones, I don't know, I think they're gonna kill the convenience for AirPods for me and they're not gonna add much value at all. I'm still in love with my old AirPods and I don't know if I can give them... See, I forgot they're on me. Like, I wanted to take them out from the case because they're so light, you forget they're on you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I think that concludes it. Fuck. This review. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm keeping them. If you follow me on Twitter, I'm gonna put my Twitter account here. I'm gonna post after a couple of weeks, did I return them, did I not return them and so on, because I still think if you already have noise cancelling headphones, this is a better product than these bulky things that go in your ears. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'm happy that I finally posted a video on this goddamn channel. Thank you very much for watching. It's so goddamn hot in my room. I hope that I'll make more reviews of things that I buy soon. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments and so on, you can leave them in the comment section. What I'm gonna try to do to sign off with this video is I'll give you the ultimate flex. You put one normal AirPod, you put one new AirPod, and you put your noise cancelling headphones on top of that. How's that for a flex, huh? Not funny at all. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Ah!